tasa eka bano enje kaketwa eka papa me say eka ye ma me mo ton de market o ma bono eyesa e me na me no ka say ne busuya e fe no atasa eka pa no mabo ebusuya e ba kwa ba bi on fam bra eye Ghana Nsem TV ye be say subscribe to no fam ba ye we are like na share na chete wa dwon comment section wo na turn on notification but ebusuya we go piamu e wo takrade na ye ma me mo ton ade wo takrade market e chire mu say ye mama mambo no bon say kun chire say omo ton ade ayento o say afi atwa mu ekufu ado penso nkura ne bi school say no ma be kono ye won sample unya na ode aso ade mu we to na John Dramani Mahama aka Bole Bamboy Idi Ami e ba ye no John Bosco o say John Bosco penso die nya na busuya me say in komodi animu no o kan sem bi na tasem no o kan ye no na me ka kire wa nkokon sama me pese me di kire na enye de nti busuya yenko tie nsem wo no ankasa de tudwa e wi a ye ba be kire adwun won nsem a e koso o takrade market no ehun
one Taadi yet na ha just like that na that san nka no what start school time no na e wo there yaba what
you dey come busy na den ko for ba market
when you busy nko for ba market na den no loan sala ya ka je no bomb GSTS no TTI dia benefit jai contest why na wa bodo wajini na bodo that's na do bandam sweeping brush no mo trouble strand there adwon went ase empomba from wona ateli a wo she kakina down top ni na woto ni na do mpaboa wo shempo woto ni na bi
ya
pam ni na ide one banti se ayakwa ya da yenda ise ya da yan hwe ya mofama na ewo bibi yempo etuma ya na de se wo bibi tompo etuma atoda atofia na da so we busuafo
the school no nya ba na ode che wona like
onya ba na ode che wona school anya ba na ode che wona wo da wo ba listen eja wo so e compose de to nti antoso a listen ankasa na anhwempo a wonfamo ana wode mo wa na se eto na de ba mpro be reject ni na che de ama moto wo nti de wo reject ni na oya tete isi ayelusu go president wo de yesraw honorable president yesraw da brayan sabem na oya tete oya yo I bi na yeja ha edi nipa biamba nti honorable president mpanyimfo honorable lawyer Fedu ya bo wonando yesraw da wombre ya ne sabem na oya yo
no afi bi onam de management mekaji loan na mdoton enda so bi twom na nya so numu na so madam wo lesi no also ma to bibia wo school ho so free secondary school for wodo no ye djuma ye ya nyin enda before bia oside ma to bibia wo school ho nti se loan ya kaji ye de ne ntua o ya asefam ti yesre aya nyama bi wo hopo na sa won teachers no po wo ba fa bibi wo ho anu wunu su we jemu ama wo ba yensu yenya kakra aso na mofam na yara wo funa na yenye mofam na ribe school o enti sese na aka fa bibia na abade na wo boto na menya bi na mda transportation ama wo froban mama no pocket money no da ba adi na aka fa me de metua bank fokaw enti sra na yesra hon aya sese afi ni yehu da teachers no wa che ebi wo offer scrubbing brush school bi na school bi so afa aso na school bi so afa paint na school bi so afa sweeping brush iti dama yanso yesre aban onye masa teachers so obafa omo wona ja won fa won ton go school ho na ye na awofo no so ye nyama na ye loan na ya kaji na ye ton no anye na awofo no so yanso ya ato no bi ye tum ye de tua tax ye tira ye tua income tax o ye tue daily tickets ye tue license na se maka di loan na dem nyame nyina amru so ase da wogem sese metua income tax metua me quarter license December le ba se dem ko tua phone no sese ara nyame no gu yi ti esra aban onyi teachers nka won fa bi na ye na wo foso yensu ye mfa bi ni yenye bi ye deje ye mafama no kwa no woda ba school me da ase
said I say
ye ka wuntie no debi na obehu ka wie nu onu bing uri mokori na se uri bokodia huni mu beso nsuo wawa abusuya atasa eka bano enye kaketwa me say ye tofu na wenti a okwanti ade see ye tofu na wenti a okwanti ade because ye ka kire mo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na Obano, we know him. He is not a new person, and we know how Oba in Yemamu Yeding. When Chendi no Mabe Chedi, now when I was on market, you are going to suffer. Ya catch them, and I must say, Yafa Yeding, Yafa Jimmy Yeding, Enko. We told you people, it's not like we did not tell you guys, we told you. And people were like, all right, we don't care. That's what you told us. That is what you made Ghanaians believe in. That you don't really care about whatever is happening. So I don't understand the reason why you guys are complaining now. Eyezu papa. Munye di na montra market no sa because this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, and yesterday I had a call from someone, also from Kentampo, baby. Or see market I slow, they and Taadi na. Don't announce about from Ukraine or Cray. Now I'm saying, all right, I got nothing to do because, share. If I catch you, I will say, John Dramani Mahama, a confident trickster. Now, or that damn. To a banana on Nasa Oba, and I'm going to say yes. No cool ya Jane. By a car and almost say no with a lie. With a lie. Then you guys went ahead and voted for him. Now more bread and you can't complain, give we. What you make we do? I was talking to a friend. I was saying, Andra, Akofa Niema, right? And could you believe the whole day? Like the whole day, and he was very, very sad because he was like, bro, what is going on? Why is it that they claim say they are resetting their country, but still it's not working? John Dramani Mahama, is it the resetting you promised Ghanaians? Charlie, it's very sad. I'm telling you. It is very, very sad. But you guys deserve it. So munye ding na mon sofa. Ebusuya Ghana Nsem TV. Edi am jeso, I promise.